Power source type, self-propelled. Hand-pushed reel lawn mower is solid, sharp, and easy to use. Durable and long-lasting mower blades are made of heat-treated alloy steel. Sear cut action produces a healthy cut for your grass. Enjoy confidence in every cut with the Real Deal manufacturer protection plan, covering any damage or broken parts for a full 5 years. This comprehensive plan keeps your reel mower performing at its best season after season. Available exclusively through authorized sellers, it's our commitment to reliable and hassle-free lawn care. Choose Real Deal and mow with peace of mind. The blades on this reel mower can be adjusted from 1–2.75, depending on preference. Cutting grass 4 or greater will require multiple passes. Recommended to be used on flat lawn when the grass is dry. Manual grass cutter blades made of heat-treated alloy steel that stays sharp for years. The walk-behind reel mower cuts grasses like a pair of scissors, keeping your lawn green and healthy. Using a reel lawn mower helps reduce carbon emissions caused by routine yard maintenance. You can forget about costly maintenance since reel mowers are virtually maintenance-free.